Ahoy hoy. Ahoy hoy. What the? Wait a minute. That shouldn't be on. Wait a minute. That's better. Yep, here we are. 911. I passed the threshold. Thankfully, the airbag deployed because the kitchen sink came off. Left turn signal's out. Right turn signal's out. View behind the dash of a 62 Fairlane 500. Red hot. Get your red hot. Get your red hot Corvette here. Mess. Shoot, on the one beer left. When's the movie gonna start? I want to see the movie. When's the movie start? Start. When's the movie start? No seats at the theater, but a built-in TV. It's a conspiracy. It's a conspiracy, I say. But I got it all on tape. It's all on tape in my car. All on tape. I shouldn't have parked my Jaguar in this dangerous area. I was only gone 10 minutes. Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a faithful ship. This is the Witch Time Foolie. Of the pigeon head. Yeah, power line. Power line comes down, into the fence, into the yard, loops around, up over the fence, comes down, right, it's, no.
Ah, fiddle faddle.
I love you. Bye-bye.